Hi, in life, what you have to do? Be bold when you lose something. Be calm when you win something. Changing the face can change nothing, but facing the change can change everything. What a wonderful quote it is, one has to follow in life. Really great quote, what I feel. Life will change without permission, my dear. So it is our attitude that will determine the right. So this point we have to keep it in mind whenever we think about any kind of ride in life. Hope you too agree to this great inspired quote. Sending morning messages in life always reminds me the company of good human beings in my life. That is why I am always sending messages to the people because good human beings company is a must in our life. That is what I really feel. Life is also a game of chess, my dear. You can't undo the moves, but you can make the next step better in life. So always remember the chess game. Whenever you deal with any problems, any success or any lose in your life, so that you will always find the next step better. Have a great day, wonderful day, and a blossom day like these great, nice, beautiful flowers.